Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Mary's Life Journey. Thank you so much for joining me today on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. So this is a weekend getaway that my best friend and I decided to go on in Chattanooga. And it is an excursion with fine dining. It is on the Tennessee Railroad Museum train, and this unique opportunity allows you to enjoy not only a railroad excursion trip but also fine dining. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll pop back in and give you more details as the trip goes along. Thank you so much for joining me. And for my new subscribers, make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell so you'll know when I upload future videos. And for my loyal family members, you know what to do. Share this video out and give someone else some inspiration.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
So, guys, this is a look at the train that we'll be boarding to have our dinner on. And this train is in the Grand Junction Depot. It goes at a leisurely pace through the urban East Chattanooga before reversing back and returning back to the Grand Junction station here. This is the train that we'll be having our dinner on, and we'll be served a three-course fine dining meal. And this is us getting aboard the train, and we're checking in and going aboard. Guys, this train is absolutely gorgeous. The food was delicious. And when I tell you it is true fine dining, it really is. All the food is prepared on this train, and it is just, I can't rave enough about it. It was just absolutely delicious. So, as a starter, we had the tomato breast soup, and it was piping hot. And here is the main course. I had the salmon, mashed potatoes, and string beans. And I'm just snapping a picture of it. If you ever want to follow me in real time, I am putting my Instagram handle up and you can see where I'm at in real time. I normally post there before I put a video on my YouTube channel. So, guys, the meal was delicious. I had the salmon with a pepper type sauce over the top of it with string beans and mashed potatoes. It was delicious. And we're just going to enjoy the train ride from here. And I hope you guys are enjoying. Give me a thumbs up. So, guys, right here, I am giving you a look at. I do apologize for the lighting, but at this point after dinner, it had gotten dark, and we were allowed to see other parts of the train that had been restored. This particular train had been restored back in 1985. I forget exactly how old this train is, but it is restored. I guess back to the original of how it used to look back in the, I want to say, 1800s. But it is absolutely gorgeous. and just giving you a look of how um, the trains used to look in those days. So, guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video, this little fall getaway. Make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I will leave all the information if you would like to go on this weekend excursion. I will leave all the links in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bells are on so you'll know when I upload future videos. Have a great day and enjoy your week.